Kani ketika Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, balawan rasha pi dak orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate shillong.
Kum kadak punya dan bentalang bat ka sorka jalan nak benta punya kon persya ya ka jingpang klam COVID-19 nakaliang jong ka office USM ka himanong ston kalano senyang silak tengka sya ka Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Ya kini kepisala IT da USM ka himanong ston upa EPCM sya UMLA ka nong ston upa Macmillan Bersat. Haka jingelang ka beringkot ka long haka arp kandai tarik uyayong arcara po ha pelau jong ka office USM hanong ston. Nalor upa bat UMLA Laidon rengkat langru USM kena ke himanong ston upa RKSM kidekot ke eksekutif darbar jong ke hima lembat kiwi-kiwi.
Long kasngi ke ba idap ke jing kemen ke himanong ston lagade ke hima ke ba sakhaput jong kini ki jaka ki ba ya jong kari khasi ndai naga penta ke jing kia jong ne coronavirus dan COVID-19 ke begiong ni pa kadai hi ka hok jongi pane simbenta pane rap lem ya ka bakum kene ke cingcia ka pasungsi jong kene ka senam ngasong kemen sibun ngidon MLA jongi ibadan markmat nang tai PM kena kita khot jong ka dor pars im ini orang ba jong kene town area kibadai ki sordar ki nong mikmat bat ki belam jaga kamsnong keban pen I sai be tristom borok gini kisni beladap nag benta kan ka kam maka jing perkhat ke jongi hai por badan kot ke jing rai kerki ke jongi yang pengidai penyano senyang larit ni kraw sana ni kam di air udah kemen simpan ku lailo barit isngaban ong ba ai ba ini dak jungi iba ai sagane ga phone ibu kecing duai phirat ka blame kerku ba nyarap na ka benta ka ka ba ka sarkar ka jongi ka pengisania kan pentrekam lairit pada ka bang ngej skam bagi bagi para nong sensar ki hima bagi ni simbenta ya bakum kan ni kan long ka bor kan long artat ka jing ai mensim ka nyimtai ki ba kim mensim rai ba pe tham hakane ka khia ka shon ka kat kan ni jinkia ka leng ka perthai ngaso komen sibun pangilala ban yo ban ya raikut ya kun kane rai kerpang ang ini inlong ayu rai ka mensim to kini girang pa jongi ki beton kat ngas ngau pangan nemla ban sudor ane ban sukriya aim kena hap deng kijing long temen ru iwan kenang na ka benta ka bukum kane kan sakhi pangin le larit ni kraw naga benta ka di berkecai penri tau kane kalong katak jong ke himanong stoi ta ke jing I ta ke jing snolem bat mengi ki badon hang ne ni khmat de hima brokoi langi don tang khndiat nimla iban poi pun dai lang ba jong MLA jongi kalong lungdo kalong pensan sekarang kane ke hima ke jongi ikermen bo kerkuepi keren mafia khmat jong kabinet khamtam yo minister tidak lagi semua kublai sibune
At the very outset, on behalf of the Chief Minister and on behalf of the government, we are very much gratitude and thankful to the scheme and its government for generously contributing this to the Meghalaya Chief Minister Relief Fund for the purpose of fight against the coronavirus or the COVID-19. On behalf of the government and on behalf of the Chief Minister, I would like to give my special thanks to the scheme and its daughter of Nongstoy Steamship, apart or besides from the service that the HIMA have rendered to the government, particularly the Sordar headmen and the Rembashnong in combating the spread of coronavirus in the state of Meghalaya. I'm very much thankful. This is not about how much you are given to the government, but this is about the spirit that the Himanong Stein is having to contribute and to cooperate with the government in fighting this deadly coronavirus or COVID-19 which happened in our state and happened in the entire India. This is my special thanks to the people of Nongstein. I hope and I wish and we all should pray that God will protect our Rikasi, God will protect our Meghalaya.